back to New Look. Today I am going to show one natural home remedy to reduce your belly fat. Everyone faced with the problem of belly fat, over fat, excessive fat, cholesterol around your tummy area. Now I am going to show one natural home remedy how to reduce this fat at your home. But we all spend a lot of money for going a gym, pre-medication center, whatever. But now I'm going to show a natural home remedy to reduce the fat naturally at your home. For this magical weight loss remedy, we need cumin seeds. Some places it is also called as jeera. Some water, honey and lemon. By using all these 4 ingredients, now I am going to prepare magical weight loss drink to reduce your belly fat. First of all, take a bowl of water. Add 2 tablespoons of jeera into it and mix well. After mixing well, soak 2 teaspoons of these cumin seeds into this cup of water and leave for overnight. Don't mix lemon and honey, just soak these cumin seeds into a cup of water. Here we have taken 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. These cumin seeds are an excellent source of antioxidants and have the ability to scavenge the harmful free oxygen radicals. They are a good source of vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants. They are also rich in minerals, copper and manganese, cofactors of the enzyme superoxide, etc. Also, it prevents the main problem, obesity. Cumin seeds have an anti-inflammatory properties. A constant state of this inflammation can lead to inflammation-induced obesity, and drinking this water will help to prevent that obesity. Many scientists have found that the cumin seed oil prevents inflammation by blocking the crosstalk between the cells and inhibiting the signaling pathways. It boosts the metabolism. If you have a low metabolic rate, your body will not be able to use up the sugar and fat. As a result, you will keep gaining weight. This cumin water helps to boost this metabolism. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals that act as a cofactor for various metabolic reactions. Also, it improves the digestion. Better digestion automatically improves the metabolic rate, leading to weight loss. After soaking overnight, in the next morning, just strain this water. Take a glass. By using the strainer, just strain this water. See, the color of water has completely changed because we soaked these cumin seeds overnight. Now in this water I'm going to add lemon, just squeeze half of the lemon. Don't use more lime because we are using only 1 glass of water. This lemon has vitamin C, which helps to reduce your fat. After squeezing, again mix well. For taste, if you want, you can add this honey. Adding 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 glass of this Jeera water and mix well. Just use honey. You should not use any type of sugar for taste. If you have readily available those sugar tablets, you can add those, but not directly sugar. But honey is more preferable as it has the properties of reducing belly fat. So use honey. Daily drink this water on your empty stomach. After drinking this water, don't take any kind of food up to 1 hour. Don't take any food till 1 hour. You should drink this water in an empty stomach. This is very natural homemade remedy to lose your weight, and if you use regularly, within 15 days you will reduce your weight gradually. You will observe that your body is getting lighter and super fit. So do try at your home. Please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel Beauty Looks. Beauty Looks and New Look. Subscribe to our channel New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.